Hello, everyone. Good morning, everyone. So my name is indeed Jean Safar. I hope I don't have 24 minutes to speak. Okay. I'm the head of client experience engineering at Digital Asset. I've been involved in capital market distributed systems for the past 30 years, a little bit too much. And with blockchain and digital DLT technologies for a little bit more than 6 years as the head of architecture at Calypso Technologies, the CTO of LiquidShare, a European consortium where I brought in Digital Asset to run its smart contracts, and where we got selected by the Banque de France as one of its CBDC experiments. I joined Digital Asset last year with the goal mainly to continue this journey and bring major go-to-production projects, some of the biggest, with DLT and blockchain and smart contracts to production on the planet. So for those who don't know Digital Asset, we've been founded in 2014, and with the goal to help enterprises build economic value through interconnected networks of multi-party applications. Digital Asset is, and I'm going to switch side, it's going to be a bit better. Digital Asset is a 200 plus widely dispersed workforce across 6 countries with a deep bench of financial industry and distributed technology expertise. So now, Digital Asset, or DAML, is a smart contract technology. It's at the core of our product. It's the language, it's a tooling, it's a platform that was specifically created to build such multi-party network applications. Leading companies such as Broadridge, Deutsche Börse, the Hong Kong Exchange, LiquidShare, the Australian Exchange have partnered with us to build and to transform their disparate silos into synchronized network of applications. So now let's play, if I can, a short movie to protect you from my French accent a little bit.
In an increasingly interconnected global economy, technology and trusted data are critical to success. However, the legacy software systems that underpin services and commerce are isolated, disconnected, and inefficient. Digital Asset is solving these problems for customers across industries with DAML. DAML is the leading platform for building and running sophisticated multi-party applications. Before DAML, businesses had to choose between data integrity and data privacy, which often involves the need to move data to a shared service provider. DAML solves this by providing secure synchronization between multiple parties on a wide range of technologies, from traditional databases to cutting-edge blockchains and DLTs. DAML creates a foundation for the future of the global economy, a future where enterprises reduce cost and risk, eliminate manual reconciliation, guarantee reliable and consistent data, and accelerate innovation.
All right, welcome back. So what problem are we tackling with DAML? Put in a simple way, all enterprises across industries have a common challenge, that of workflow inefficiencies. It's due on one hand to data silos, and on the other hand, the need for manual reconciliation. DAML allows you to build such a network multi-party applications with unbreakable protections, enforced strict privacy controls, and it brings real-time harmonization of multi-party transactions. And it's key because if you don't have that, you cannot collaborate. And most enterprises have their legacy systems built with technologies that was never designed for such collaboration, and it will not enable that collaboration. With DAML, parties on the network will share a common understanding, a real-time common understanding of all real-time transactions, the ones they are involved with, and they will have no manual reconciliation, no duplicate processing, and that will create the foundation for innovation and improved efficiencies. DAML is the cutting edge in smart contract technologies. It has capabilities that are unique on the market. First, I mentioned the privacy. You cannot get access to data to which you've not been explicitly entitled to. Further, and very importantly, DAML is portable. It means it can run on databases, Postgres, Oracle, QLDB. It can run on DLTs, and it can run on blockchains alike. That means you can build your economic value. You can build your smart contract application, and you do not need to spend 10 years on choosing what is the right blockchains. You can defer that choice. Thirdly, and also importantly, DAML is extremely scalable. It's been built for the most stringent enterprise-grade networks. I mentioned exchanges, that's very stringent. It's composable, so you can interconnect the networks of DAMLs, so you can think of disparate networks across the earth. And it's extendable, you can extend the smart contracts, still maintaining privacy and of data and transactions. So let me give you a few use cases. I mentioned a couple of them. The Australian exchange, it's a G10 economy, it's not small, and it's running its entire equity market on top of DAML. That's a huge thing. Think about all the performance needed for that. We have the Hong Kong exchange alike, running its settlement platform between Hong Kong and mainland China to streamline settlements. And finally, we have Deutsche Börse that built its new digital platform called D7 on top of DAML. All right, so I think I've taken a little bit more time. Let me introduce you now to go a little bit further into another use case. Robert van Dongen from Intellect2U, one of the best partners of digital assets.
Thanks, Jean. Appreciate it. So as Jean mentioned, my name is Robert, heading the business development team in the EMEA region for Intellect2U. Intellect2U has been around since 2006, focusing mainly on traditional finance, integration with payment rails, etc. And there we go. And in 2015, we started delving into distributed ledger technology. We became a founding member of the Hyperledger initiative in 2016 and started using digital asset modeling language in that same year. Now, an interesting use case, because we focus mainly on the financial services sector, is to not focus on that right now. We've been working with a partner in the wholesale telco space, together with our friends from Digital Asset, and we've been building a solution that allows them to use the digital asset modeling language in collaboration with Canton, another technology from Digital Asset, deployed on Hyperledger Fabric, which uses Catalyst blockchain platform from Intellect2U as well, to innovate in the invoice management and inventory management side of the wholesale telco side. One of the things that we've done is we've been looking at how do we make things more efficient, right? We have, sorry for that. We have created global connectivity by binding together DAML, binding together Hyperledger Fabric, and we've been creating new business models because of the fact that we're digitizing the wholesale telco market. The main thing here, I think, that's important is the global connectivity. You mentioned manual reconciliation. I think that's one of the main things. We really wanted to build out a solution that can add more partners, connect their invoicing systems, make sure that there is minimal amounts of manual reconciliation, because if you have an invoice, thousands of lines in the wholesale telco space, if you challenge one of these lines, your entire invoice is stuck, creates cash flow problems. So what we've done is we've built that solution that allows you to more effectively manage your invoices, manage your inventory, and we're building that, again, using digital asset modeling language. So thanks for that. Appreciate it. Enjoy the second day of the European Blockchain Convention, and thanks for the introduction, Jean.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much. Digital Asset, you can meet them around today.